Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, her fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, her. Well, let's find that rhyme now, shall we? Since we answer the door of Mary had a little rhyme. Mary had a time of joy, time of joy, time of joy. Or was it short? 'Cause where did her fleece white as snow go? If her Scotsman had left her, where did the big bad wolf have taken her? The three little piggies knocked at the door. Big bad wolf sat in the shoe with the mother had so many children she didn't know what to do. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Old King Cole played his trumpet, had a fiddler and three. Cat, spoon, moon, cow, jump. Where's Mary? The merry, merry go contrary. The spider web. The itsy bitsy spider web. Where's the rainbow? Where's the goose, the golden egg? The hen, the cock-a-doodle-doo? The Scotsman. Where's the schoolhouse? Where's Mary? Where did she go? The went. Where's went? Where went? Mary went. Mary went. Mary went. Mary, Mary went to blow, blow on a horn. Mary went to go get some homework. For the Scotsman Dale, of course, she says. Scottsdale, Scottsdale, that's where the wind said. The wind blows Scottsdale, Scottsdale. Think of the horn, think of me. Think of the Scotsman 3 to be. Scottsville, 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 oh please. I love you, Mr. Scottsy-loo-da-doo. What's your name, mister? I would like to sing to you. Miss Mary like to rhyme, Miss Mary lullaby, Miss Mary, hi, hi, hi. My name, my shame on me, my name, I love to be. My name's Mary, Mary, oh contrary, Mary, oh the blessing, Mary, oh the happy lovely, and the knick-knack, craddy-whack, give a dog a bone, and the itsy-oh, E-I-O, old MacDonald had a cow, named it Betsy, and I rhymed it so.